Hey guys, welcome back. Today is another hiking day, and today I am going to complete the Boro táró round trip, and it starts from the Mining Museum of Cholnok. This is the description. So basically it follows along the miners' routes. And from the previous video, you may remember this place. This is where it was, I think, the third checkpoint. And if we go ahead and take a look at this, this is a place that we may want to visit. It looks pretty cool, old mining equipment, stuff like that. And that is my beautiful wife and Bob. Say hi, Bob. So let's go and find the next checkpoint. So we are coming close to the second checkpoint, and we had to climb up to the top of this hill at Cholnok. And Mops is already tired, or rather pug, but he has the cutest mother. And yeah, there we can see this hydro globe, and we should find the checkpoint here at any moment. All right, we have it. This is the second checkpoint. And say hello, Bob. So we are on the outskirts of Cholnok and getting to the next checkpoint. Everyone is still alive. And here we go. Dum da dum da dum. So we are going to cross over this bridge, and it looks good. Bob, what do you say? Okay. What a nice corridor we have here. The trees are blooming and the petals are falling and the birds are chirping. It's really nice. Yeah. So here we have these magical steps for the monument, and look at all this moss that grow over this. It looks pretty good. And I'm almost there. Wife and the dog stayed down, because the pugs have hard time breathing at all, let alone when you go to hike with them. So that's the reason. And we are almost there. And where is it? Okay. So any moment we should be able to see a monument. And there it is. The monument. So here we are. Voila. What does it say? Here stood between 1952 and 56 the last gulag, and it was a labor camp made by the Russians, and this is to commemorate those poor souls who perished in the labor camp. And this is how it looks like, or looked like back in the days. And here we have some information, and technically this is the third checkpoint. See you in the next one. So we have reached Cholnok once again, and here we have a street full of sellers, and some of them look pretty decent, so to speak. And there is a car. Wow! Reminds me of Lord of the Rings, when Aragorn, Legolas and Gimli entered the mountain for the army of the dead. Yeah. So we are approaching the fourth checkpoint. It's at the entrance of the cemetery. See you there. So welcome back. This is the fourth checkpoint, and this is the cemetery of Cholnok. And according to this, it should be in the front entrance of the cemetery, and there is a concrete statue on the right side. So there we are. Here we have the checkpoint, and this is how the cemetery looks like. We have one more checkpoint to go, and after that we are back at the starting point. Are you tired, Bob? Are you? So guys, I'm drawing near the fifth checkpoint, and you may remember that house from the last video. I don't think that I'm going to film the actual QR code, because you already know it's one of the hardest ones to find. So that's it. See you at the end of this tour. So guys, we have successfully made it back to the original starting point, and that was all basically. I think I had really fun at this trip, and my wife and the pug is also alive. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and follow me on the next one. See you.